If you've been moping around thinking she'll never be interested in me again, it's time to hit the mental reset button. Believe that you can rekindle her interest with the right attitude and actions. Approach her with a smile and a confident mindset, and you'll be surprised at how things can turn around. Imagine this: you're at a coffee shop, the same one where you had your first date. The aroma of fresh brews and the soft murmur of conversations around you bring back memories. You sit there, waiting, a bit nervous but hopeful. When she walks in, your heart skips a beat. You stand up, and as your eyes meet, there's a flicker of recognition, a hint of the old magic. This could be the moment everything changes. Are you ready for it? Patience is your best friend. Here's the deal: Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a rekindled romance. Avoid putting pressure on yourself or her by expecting immediate results. Treat each interaction as a chance to reconnect and rebuild, not a do or die scenario. Patience is key. Allow the relationship to develop naturally, one step at a time. Be the best version of you. Confidence is undeniably attractive. When you reach out to her, do so with a relaxed and confident demeanor. Focus on creating a positive and enjoyable experience when you're together. Show her the best version of yourself, but remember, don't try too hard. Authenticity is crucial. Hear her out. Communication is a two-way street, and active listening is your express lane to her heart. Pay close attention to what she says, showing genuine interest in her feelings and experiences. Ask thoughtful questions and engage deeply in conversations. Demonstrate that you value her perspective and care about her as an individual. This isn't about just hearing, it's about truly listening. Decisive initiation. Take the leap. Feeling a spark? Then it's time for decisive action. Clearly express your desire to reconnect. Be bold but respectful and show her that you're serious about rekindling the relationship. Plan thoughtful and meaningful activities that show you're invested in winning her interest back. This is your chance to demonstrate that you're not just talk. Show genuine kindness. Respect is the cornerstone of any meaningful relationship. Show respect for her feelings and boundaries. Be considerate and attentive to her needs and preferences. Treat her with genuine kindness and appreciation, making her feel valued and respected. A little respect goes a long way in rekindling interest and trust. Now that you have the roadmap to rekindle her interest, it's time to take action. Reflect on what went wrong, rewrite your narrative, and approach her with confidence and respect. Listen actively, be patient, and take decisive steps towards rebuilding your connection. Remember, this journey is as much about rediscovering yourself as it is about reigniting the flame with her. Your story isn't over, it's just getting started. Embrace these steps with an open heart and a positive mindset, and you'll be well on your way to getting her interested again. Remember, the key is to be genuine, patient, and respectful. Best of luck on your journey to rekindling that special connection.